Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a rough doodle images into an AI generated original images. Now in order to do it, you don't need any third party application. Just simply open any browser over your any platform. Once you do that, in the search bar just simply hit Scribble Diffusion. Once you do that, now here you can see this first website that appear right in front of you. Just simply go to this website, and now here you can see a doodle image drawn page will appear right in front of you. You can draw any of the thing you want and describe your image. Once you do that, once you complete with your drawing and descriptions, just simply hit go, and this website will create a doodle for you. You don't even need a AI generated doodle for you. You don't even need to sign in over anything. You can see there's no option for any advertisement sign in or anything else. So you can use it over free, and you have unlimited credits for the same. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.